all the birds that come to feed in my backyard today, there's one I always overlook amidst the bird array. The junco and the titmouse and the blue jays all are there. The chickadee is also munching on the mixed bird fare. There are three kinds of woodpeckers that come around to eat, while on the ground the eastern towhee shuffling his feet. Brown-headed cowbirds crowd around to see they get their share, while sounding like a dripping faucet, heads high in the air. Indigo buntings on a branch are rare to see indeed, yet this one can't resist the urge to come and eat my seed. The thrush stays on the ground to get what others leave behind, while joined there by the mourning dove, so peaceful and sublime. An eastern bluebird comes around, not often though you see, as does the common grackle, who's all purple and shiny. I love to watch the nuthatch, who defies all gravity. The way he walks up trees that way is quite a sight to see. And then there is the hummingbird, the fastest of them all. But when he stops to rest, I'm just amazed that he's so small. The cardinal and goldfinch are the prettiest I see. Their red and yellow seem to glow in contrast to the trees. The house finch with his red head comes around most every day, and all the while the little wren just flits around in play. The robin isn't drawn at all to this activity. She seems content to munch on worms, observing passively. I've even had wild turkeys come along with hawks and crows. Sometimes the seed won't last the day, but that's just how it goes. Of course, the ever-present squirrel and chipmunks stuff their face, while late at night raccoons come out and tidy up the place. Of all the birds that come here, the most common one of all is the one God says that he takes note of when it falls. Yes, it's the tiny sparrow that God says he watches o'er, but he said that to let us know he loves us even more. So when you see a sparrow, be reminded of God's care. No matter where you are, you can be sure God sees you there.